Hey, Not Nerd here. I've got a little semi-unboxing review, quick review to do. This is a Kickstarter project, which I originally backed on November 13th, 2016. Today is January 24th, 2019. There was many an update from them over the 2 years before I received it on November 26, 2018. Originally supposed to get it March 2017. So again, November 2016, was supposed to get it the next March. Got it a year and a half past that original expected ship date. Now, you're wondering what it is. It is the Lume Cube Air. This is from a company called Lume Cube, an established business. They make these great little lights, and this was originally going to be called the Lite. Went through some different names over the many years it took them to ship. They had several problems just making this work, but I backed it for $44. That included $5 shipping. And I received it. So now, a couple great things. They did keep communicating with people, I think because they were an established company. They didn't want to lose all their business by not taking care of the Kickstarter people. And they did add some extra stuff into the box. There is a little 1/4-inch tripod shirt clip, so you can clip that in. There is also, I don't know where it went, might be in the box here, a magnet attachment. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what this is. So in theory, this is the first time I'm opening it up. You have an app, the Lume X app, on your iPhone or Android device, and that connects to this light, so you can set it up if you're doing video work like this, if you're doing photography, if you're doing drones, you can connect them to that. You can connect this in. So here it is. Nice little tiny device. Very small, one of the smallest LED lights I've seen that could be usable for a camera. For instance, I'm going to get dark here for a second. This is one that I've been using, which is size about a deck of cards, rechargeable. This one is meant to be a little bit more rugged. It does have, I believe the back is magnetic so that you can, sticks to my filing cabinet. Looking around the sides, I see a push to release thing here, which looks like it's supposed to release a door. Yes, it does. Okay, that gives us access to our USB micro, which is a pretty standard at this point charging. You've got your light on the front, you've got your tripod mount on the bottom, and it looks like on the rugged rubberized edge there's a little button here. So let's go ahead and press that. Oh, there we go. That is a bright light. Yes, that is providing some good solid light. Now I'm curious to see, I did download the app. Hey, there we go. That's some great lighting for you video folks out there. I did download the app. Let's see what happens when I open up the Lume X app. Congratulations, Lume Cube L890468 has been discovered. Please register. Enter my email address. I'm going to set that down so I don't blind myself. And this makes for great video. Typing in email addresses on iPhones. Not my strongest typing ability. And registration successful. Please enjoy your new light. So the app opens up, it's a camera. And let's see what options I have here. It says the battery's low, which is quite true. It took me 2 months to get around to making this video, which seems fitting since it took them over 2 years to get me my light. I've had it sitting here for a while, so the battery's probably pretty low. So I'm playing in the app now. Brightness 0%, 3%, 4%. So that's really great. You can adjust the brightness from your phone, so you could set this somewhere far away from you. You've got different modes. You've got your strobe mode, strobe light party, and you can use it as a flash with their camera app. And looking around here, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Oh, it's got to have access to my photos. And there we go. You can connect with GoPro to have it sync up with that. You can look at your pictures or some other settings. So I was very excited from the very beginning of seeing this on Kickstarter. The original Lume Cubes, they run about $80 a piece. And again, I got this one for $44 with the shipping. Currently, they're selling them for $70, so it's not that much of a savings over the original, which is kind of disappointing. That was why I wanted this one, because it was a cheaper alternative. I wish I would have bought two, but then I also wish they would have come a year and a half ago. But yeah, this is great. I mean, being able to just stick this onto metal anywhere, mount it to a tripod. They've got the clip. I think the other piece that it came with was another metal piece that could go, like, say, inside a backpack or inside of some material, so then you can make it magnetic and just be able to stick it up anywhere. But I am very impressed with this light. It also, oh, I forgot to mention, it comes with some rubber knobs there to really just give you, you've got your orange and you've got your white, your soft light covers there. But I like the fact that it's got the dome there, so it can really diffuse some of that light. It's still on a very bright setting, as you can see. But I can give you a little bit closer. So it came with two of those. I really like those. I know, like, the bigger lights I have, the newer lights that take a bunch of batteries and are big old hogs, they came with some plastic, a white and a yellow slat in there. And those are about $45, but comparing size, let's see if I can, there we go. That makes a little bit of a difference when you're packing gear on the go. They do have some kits, some mount kits for some different drones, as well as some different cameras, underwater cameras. I believe these are waterproof. So comparing a normal camera to a GoPro, it's kind of like that. Comparing a normal light to the Lume Cube Air, this is going to be more of your on-the-go, quick use, be able to mount it anywhere light. That's just going to, so far, so good. I like it, and I'll be using it for videos in the future. So make sure you subscribe to Not Nerd. Make sure you listen to the subscribe to the podcast too. We do the podcast every week. We try to get videos up on YouTube and Facebook whenever we can. Review the products that we're using all the time and help you tech better. Hey, Nate here. I'm back real quick on the Lume Cube Air. I was going through the box after I finished my video. Forgot and got so excited about the light, forgot to go through the rest of the box. Quick start guide, no surprise there. USB micro cable, no real treat there. Real treat, lanyard, and I'm like, oh yeah, lanyard might be nice. Well, the lanyard just has a 1/4-inch stud there, so you can just screw it into the tripod mount, your standard tripod mount on the bottom, and then have your lanyard there. So it's a quick release. I'm surprised more people aren't doing that for small items that you want to connect to your, that connect to your tripods, and you just want to be able to have a handle on it so it's not getting lost in your backpack. So a quick little bonus there on the Lume Cube Air. Thank you for watching.